Last month alone, I made $40,253 in affiliate commissions without running a single paid ad. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can promote your affiliate links on Google using AI. No Google ads, no website with 1,000 of articles, no SEO agency, and no technical skills needed. Just simple AI powered method that puts my affiliate links in front of people who are already interested to buy from Google completely for free. And the crazy part, guys, most affiliate marketers don't even know this traffic source exists. They think Google traffic means you need to pay for ads or wait years for SEO to work. This is completely wrong. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact method I'm using right now in 2026, step by step, so any beginner can copy this starting today. I already received these payments, guys, in my PayPal account, and this is my invoice. As you guys can see here, recent payment request details, it's paid. Okay, I already received this payment, and I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years. And what's working right now, it's using AI in your affiliate marketing business, and I'll show you how. Okay, so first step for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using Google and AI, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliate. So what you need is you just need to create an affiliate account and you need to join an affiliate marketing program. So step number one, just go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website, guys. Okay, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. All you need to do is just to use your email address to sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your home page. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down so you guys can check their commission plan, because they are really paying good commissions. So some commissions, guys, for pro services, they are paying up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share. So you can turn this into a passive income. Okay, the lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is really good, guys, as you guys can see here. So this is a really high-tech affiliate marketing program. So if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and just click here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And here what you will do is you just need to put here your social media profile link. So you can put here your Instagram profile link or your Pinterest profile link, your YouTube channel profile link, any social media page links that you want to use to promote those Fiverr affiliate offers, because you can also promote those Fiverr services, guys, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, Reddit, and more. Okay, so once you put here your link, guys, scroll down and click on country, choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Click here to choose your language. And if you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. You just need to click on next, and that's it. Sign up process, super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. And just this month, guys, I have made, as you guys can see here, $14,192. Okay, in this month. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, people who used my affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used my affiliate link to buy those services that I'll share with you that you can start promoting on Google. Okay, so it's clear and simple. So what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting, guys, on Google. Okay, so let's go to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, and pay close attention here. Click on the search and search for Google My Business. Search for this service, guys. Okay, we will promote this service on Google My Business. So search for this service, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Always choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, and choose sellers like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will go and check the feedback of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers. If you are choosing good sellers that they can provide good service for those people who will come from your affiliate link, you can earn commissions. Okay, so it's better to choose good sellers. So let me show you as an example. Let's pick one, scroll down like this. Okay, you guys can see here we have this agency. It's pro seller. Okay, like this one is good one. Like this one, guys, is a good seller. Okay, this is an agency, so it has over 1,000 reviews, which is good. This service starting from $150. So I will choose this one. I will click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you guys want to promote, and you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. You guys can see here. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller. Okay, copy the link of the seller, and here is what you will do next. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, and you will click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Paste this link here. Okay, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link always from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. This one, Fiverr marketplace new plan. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr step old plan, because I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option. But anyway, it's almost the same. Fiverr Pro new plan is even better. Okay, so what you will do next, you just created your first affiliate link. You need to promote this affiliate link on Google. Okay, and you need to promote this service, guys, to people who will be interested to buy it from you. So what you will do next is you will go to Google. Okay, so let's go to Google. Go to Google, guys, and search for restaurant USA. Okay, search for those local businesses like restaurants, coffee, salons, and you have so much more. Okay, I will show you by the end of the video all the local businesses that you guys can target. Okay, so let's pick this one as an example, a restaurant USA. You can search for restaurant USA, and Google, guys, will give you a lot of restaurants on Google. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a restaurant that are not ranking good on Google. Okay, like this one as an example, the restaurants that are not ranking number 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so those local businesses, guys, will be interested to buy Google My Business service to rank higher on Google and on Google Map. Okay, it's very important. If you have a local business, you should list it on Google, and you should make and use a good SEO, optimized SEO, so your restaurant can rank number 1 on Google or on Google Maps, so you can get clients also from Google, because a lot of people, they are using Google. It's very important. Okay, your local business should be ranking in number 1 on Google. Okay, so what you will do here is you will pick one as an example. Let's choose like this one, Coffee Providence. This one is not ranking. You guys can see it's not ranking good. Okay, I will click on this one like this, and you will see this bar over here. You see this one, Coffee Providence. Okay, this one, guys. Okay, so you will see this bar. What you will do next, you will scroll down. You guys can see here, you will find they have a website, which is good, and they have also a phone number. So if you speak English, you can pick their phone number, make a call, and call this restaurant and tell them that you are providing Google My Business service that will help them to rank higher on Google Maps and also on Google. Okay, if you don't speak English, that's fine. You can go to their website. Okay, let's click here on website. Just click on website, and here you go. You will be in their website. And what you will do next here, you will scroll down. So always go and scroll down and see if you can find their email. Okay, you should find their email here if you scroll down. So let me show you guys. Okay, here you go. You see, we have their email. Okay, all the restaurant websites, they have an email and they have phone number. So this is their email. So what you will do next is you will you will create a professional email that you will send to this restaurant email and telling them about your Google My Business service that you are providing as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so you need to create a professional email. So what you will do, you will go to ChatGPT, use AI, go to ChatGPT and ask him to create a professional email that you will send to local businesses, so like a restaurant, to sell them Google My Business service. And here you go, ChatGPT will create, guys, a professional email for you. You see this one? I hope you are doing well. I come across your restaurant online and noticed there might be a great opportunity to improve your visibility on Google Maps and attract more local customers, which is good. So what you will do, you just need to copy this email like this. Okay, let's copy this, just copy this email from here, go back to this restaurant website, click on their email, here you go, and you can paste this email here. You have here, you can learn more about our service. Here what you will do for you, you need to put here your affiliate link. You will go back to your affiliate account dashboard, your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. This is our affiliate link, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you remember, copy this affiliate link from here. This affiliate link, guys, is too much long, so I will search for short URL to make it short, to make it looks more professional and branding. You can use this website. I will paste the link here. Short, just click on short, and here you go. This is your affiliate link, copy, and this is my email, paste my affiliate link here. Here you go. You see this? Here you can put your info. Here you can put the restaurant owner name, and you have a professional email that you can send to those local businesses, and they will be interested, they will be very interested to rank higher on Google Map. Okay, you can also include screenshots of their restaurant that is not ranking good. Okay, you can take a screenshot to show them that their restaurant is not ranking good, so they can be more interested to buy this Google My Business service from you, and you can earn commissions. Okay, and you have a lot of restaurants, guys, that you can send and that you can promote this service to. Okay, that's how you guys can promote affiliate links on Google using AI. Okay, and you guys have a lot of local businesses that you guys can target. You can even promote this service in your country. You don't have just restaurants in USA, your restaurant in United Kingdom, in Canada, Australia, Germany. You don't have just restaurants, you have salon hairs, you have coffees, you have bounties, and you have so much local businesses that you can promote this service to. Okay, but let me show you guys. If you click here, you guys can click on AI mode. Okay, click on AI mode and you will be in this page, and ask Google AI, I want you to find 20 local businesses that are good prospect for Google My Business. Okay, optimization service requirement: the businesses must not be ranking well on Google Maps for their main keyword. Focus on businesses with weak local SEO, low visibility, poor reviews management, incomplete Google business profiles, and so on. Okay, and here this is the list of all local businesses that you guys can target. You guys can take screenshots of this prompt if you want, or you can copy it. Okay, once you put this prompt here, just Google, guys, Google AI will give you a list of 20 local businesses that you guys can target and promote this service to. This is the business name, the website, their phone number, city, everything, all the info here. Google AI will give you all the info that you can use to promote this service to those local businesses. Thank you so much for watching. For people who want to take this business seriously, I do have, guys, an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you can use AI to create content and to promote your affiliate offers on YouTube, Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and more. How we can use AI to create landing page, how we can use AI to create an affiliate website, how we can use AI to create script for your content, to turn this script into voiceover, how we can use AI for editing to make full videos that you can also use to promote those affiliate offers on YouTube, and so much more. Because what's working right now and what's helped me to scale my affiliate marketing business to over $40,000 a month is AI. Without AI, I can't do it. Okay, I'm using a lot of AI websites that are helping me to create so much content in a short time. Okay, and you also, guys, for people who are interested, feel free guys to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details. There is so much services that you guys can promote to those local businesses. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video. And for people who are asking, so how much we can earn if we promote, so for example, if one person buy this service from you, okay, let me show you guys. Okay, this service that we are promoting guys, it's just the basic package starting from $135. We have some people can pay for standard package, some people can pay for premium package. Let's take just the basic. If you remember, for pro services we will earn 70% of the first order. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and ask him what is, for example, 70% of $135. Okay, they are really paying good commissions guys. Okay, you see, for one single customer it's $94. $94 for one single customer. This is what makes this this affiliate marketing program guys very profitable. You guys can see, so you don't need a lot of traffic to get to make a good money. You don't need a lot of traffic. You just need to join an affiliate marketing program that is paying high commissions, that is paying good commissions. Okay, it's not like other affiliate marketing programs that are paying you just few cents. This one is really good. Okay, from my experience, it's very profitable.